I celebrate International Women's Day because it gives me hope that one day every woman in every country on this planet will have access to birth control and the right to choose what to do with her body.
I choose to celebrate the successes of women throughout time, from Mary Wollstonecraft through to Maya Angelou and other strong, positive leaders who inspire and teach us to take a stand and rise to our full potential. The only way to truly change perspectives is to challenge them. I choose to thank the men who have helped all women challenge adversity in all aspects of life. We stand together, creating a powerful future for us all. Choose to challenge.
Being the birthplace of British feminism, celebrating women is something that we do all year round, but it's a good opportunity to take stock of some of the things that we've done so far on this project. Newington Green Meeting House has been host to many wonderful events delivered by women, curated by women, and telling the stories of women. And obviously, women's stories are not as talked about, they're not as present, and they're not as spoken about as many of the other histories that are more dominant. And that's something that we focus on and are focusing on over the next couple of years. We're celebrating Mary Wollstonecraft's birthday in the next couple of months, and obviously we do a lot of programming around Mary and feminism today and in the past, and we look forward to hearing from a diverse range of speakers. We've got this program, Her Stories, which is a free community 6-week education course, and each week we've been hearing from women from a variety of different backgrounds on topics such as work, on topics such as childcare, and local issues such as like the Reclaim Holloway campaign, and representatives from Sister Space, which is an African and Caribbean domestic violence charity.
Happy International Women's Day. It's a great opportunity to celebrate all the amazing women who feature in our building's radical history, and also all the amazing women who work and volunteer on our heritage project today.
Happy International Women's Day!